Hello everyone. So there was a question which I answered a couple of days back. A similar question to this question where you may want to replace a field with another field of different type. Now there are different use cases for this. Maybe you want to migrate to cloud, or maybe you want to just consolidate your custom fields. Maybe you have two fields with same or similar names and you want to just use one, or maybe you just want to change the type for any reason. Now this particular question from Jemima. The question is that there is a cascading select list which needs to be replaced by a simple drop down. Now, this of course can be done. There are a few ways of doing it. You can do bulk update, which of course is not really going to work if you don't know if the values are different, the target or the field value, because you have to copy the field from another field value from another field. So using a script now makes sense, or maybe some kind of automation. But what Jemima is saying here is that there is no automation app available. So I was thinking, yeah, that is fine. Even if you don't have access to Script for Jira for some reason, of course it's a paid app, you can still do these things using REST API. So yeah, that is always a possibility. So you can always read the value from one field and copy it to another field. So you have to write code. And by the way, fortunately, I have plenty of examples, working examples where I showed how to do things with Jira REST API. So if you go to my Jira REST API playlist, I have various examples here that you can take a look at. For example, how to parse and validate JQL, how to get the list of things, like for example, if you want to get a JQL, which will of course give you the list. For example, Jira REST API to retrieve JQL result, which is great, but you may want to then edit an issue. So you have to write a script for doing that, and the script can be written, of course, in any language that you prefer. Almost all the programming languages have this capability to make a REST call to, of course, it could be any tool, but in this case, of course, Jira. I use not Postman, but I use Talent API Tester, which is an extension in Chrome or Brave, because I use Brave. Or you can use a shell script, or maybe write a script in Python or whatever language you prefer, but it can be done. So to answer this question, if you don't really have access to any automation app within Jira, so you can still do it by using REST API. So you can always write code outside Jira. And that is it. Yep, simple answer, but a different way of doing things. And with the help of REST API, there are so many other possibilities that open up. And I thought I'll probably answer this question. All right. Thank you very much. Bye bye.